All right, let's talk about how you can move columns around in Excel without deleting or messing up any data that's already there. All right, so here we have a list of names. We just have the full name in this column, last name, and first name, okay? But we want to switch this first name column to be in front of this last name column. So we want it to be first name, then last name. So if we were to select the column and we were to move it there manually, it's going to ask us if we want to replace or overwrite the data. And if we hit OK, it's going to remove all the data that was in that column beforehand. So basically what we need to do in order to move that without deleting or messing up that data is we'll select the column we want to move, and then we'll hit Shift and then hover over until you see the 4-arrow cursor here. So here's the plus sign, here's the 4-arrow cursor. Make sure you get to that. Click while you're holding Shift, and then you can just move that around, and we'll put it right there. Then that way it basically swaps that first and last name or moves that first name to a different column. So let's say I wanted the last name to be over here. I can do that, and then that will kind of swap, put the first name, last name, then the full name there. So that's pretty simple. All you need to do is hit Shift click when you're doing that in order to avoid deleting any data. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe before you leave. Thanks, and have a great rest of your day.